What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the fastest way to transfer your videos and files from your GoPro Hero 9 or Hero 5. In this instance, I'm actually filming on the GoPro Hero 9, so we're going to use the Hero 5 today in this video. Pretty much the only thing that you're going to need, first you're going to need the Apple. This is the OEM Apple SD card reader. You can pick these up on Amazon and eBay for about anywhere from $19 to $30. Very much recommend. The next thing you're going to need is a card adapter. This is a SanDisk, just card adapter. All it allows you to do is to pop your SD card on this end, and then this fits into the SD card reader like so. Next thing you're going to need, obviously, is going to be your SD card. We're going to be pulling ours out of our GoPro Hero 5 to pull some footage from just how to install the media mod on the GoPro Hero 9. So let's turn the camera around and go ahead and take a look. Okay, guys, jumping right in. We have our GoPro Hero 5 here. I already did take the SD card out, but this is a Hero 5. You can just see right there. We have our SD card here. It's just a standard SanDisk Extreme Plus 32 gigabyte. Not too big, not too small. We're going to go ahead and put that into the SD card reader. Push it down like so. And we're going to take the SD card and put it right on in to the adapter. That's pretty much it as far as preparation goes. Now we're going to go into our Photos app. And as you can see down at the bottom here, we will actually Okay, so as you can see down at the bottom of our app here, you have your library, your For You, your albums, and then you have your search. Now if we take this and we plug in our adapter, we're going to get a new little icon down here. It's going to be called the import icon. So if we go over to this import icon, we have essentially everything that's on the SD card. So this is all the stuff that I've already imported. It shows that if it's already in your camera roll, it does automatically show that it's in your camera roll. If you hit this import to button, you can pick the album it goes into. I have a GoPro album, so that's where I'm going to be putting it at. And just for here's sake, we're just going to select this one here because we've already put in our other video that we were trying to import. So now we just hit import. We're going to hit import selected, and it imports just like that. And since we did already import it, we're going to go ahead and delete the other file. You can keep them. I'm going to delete mine. And so now we can go to albums, go over here, GoPro album, and there's our picture at the very bottom, as you can see, that we just imported. This was the original footage that we imported the first time, just putting the media mod on the GoPro. So it imported very nicely. That was actually footage from the Hero 5, so that we can get the Hero 9 in queue. So it was pretty nice. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We can go back to our home screen and actually unplug this now, and we are good to go. Again, that's the easiest way to transfer files. This works with all of your 5K footage, your 4K 30 footage, everything like that. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. So yes, this method does work with all your 4K, your 5K, your 2.7K, your 1080p, your slow motion shots. It all works with it. I did test it out. I am getting a solid transfer from my 5K 30 videos off the GoPro Hero 9, and they work flawlessly. Me personally, I have the iPhone XS. So it does have that A12 chip in it, and so it is able to edit the 4K and 5K footage pretty much without an issue. I guess without all of the, if you want to do some hardcore editing and stuff like that, you'd have to do it on a computer of power, which I do have, but this is a lot easier to do And as a lot of you may know, I've been running the previous videos that I've had on this YouTube channel from years ago. I've always done it on a cell phone. I've never done anything on a computer. So we're going to continue that motive with the GoPro Hero 9 footage as well. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you disliked it, thumbs it down. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload cool tutorials and tech reviews like this.